You get defiled from within, not from without. So even the things that we eat, we say the teeth, the get grave and thing like that. It is what you ingest and what comes from within you that defiles the body. You age faster when you're bitter, when you're angry, when you are constantly ready. You ready. You always ready. The things we take in, those things, whether they're spiritual things, they're edible things, they're smoking things, they're drinking things, all of those things play a part in whether they hurt or whether they heal. And so today, we want to do a couple things in terms of taking you on a journey of healing in this place and in this space, and especially for Black women, to renew you. So we want the new to come this spring. We want you to spring forward into more power-filled, spiritually power-filled beings. And so first, we want to put a smile on her face. And so today, I want to bring back from Authentically Your Expressions, Sharonda, to tell us about her new institute, S.M.I.L.E. So Sharonda, how Hunter to do? We're so glad that Hunter to join me one more again right here for zooming in. So glad if I have Hunter back. What's going on?
Peace and blessings, peace and blessings. How Hunter to do, Queen Quet?
Oh, praise God. You ain't know how to shout and thing. This is a we month right here for you.
this
You
is
know
our
that?
month.
This is a we month, Black Her Story month. This is a blessing right here. Like I told the folks, definitely want to put a smile on their faces. And I know you now have an institute called S.M.I.L.E. Please tell everybody about S.M.I.L.E, what it is, and what was your motivation for starting such an institute with such a wonderful name, S.M.I.L.E.
Absolutely. Well, S.M.I.L.E is the Self-Mastery Institute for Learning Empowerment. This was brought to me through spirit by I've interacted with so many different women, and not everybody can afford to hire a life coach because, as you know, I'm a spiritual life empowerment coach. But not everyone can afford to pay weekly to do that one-on-one work. So I was just like, God, I want to be able to reach more people. They need it out here. People need to master some of these things that I'm talking about individually. So this was downloaded to me. Smile. We're helping people smile by mastering things like self-love.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that renewing you? Self-love, mastering empowerment. That's what we're talking about this month in S.M.I.L.E, empowerment. We're going to talk about manifestation. We're going to talk about limited beliefs. We have all these different conversations that we have throughout the month. Not just that, women are saying stuff like, I would love to take a yoga class. I really want to experience some yoga. Or I really want to experience a Reiki class or things like that. They're saying that these are the things that they want. So guess what I did? Created a platform. In S.M.I.L.E, you get to take a yoga class. In S.M.I.L E, you get to learn Reiki. In S.M.I.L E, we do master classes. We do vegan cooking. We do Friday night hangouts where we do some paint and sip, drawing sips, not painting because I don't want to paint because it might look crazy. But we do drawing sips. We do poetry night. We do different things where all of us can come together and learn how to master the things that are making it difficult for us to manifest the life that we desire.
Mm-hmm. That is beautiful. That is beautiful.